As coin continues to grow in popularity, collectors demand tools that deliver precision, clarity, and ease of use. Magnifiers designed for coins range from advanced digital microscopes to wearable optical aids, offering options for every budget and skill level. In this guide, we evaluate the optical clarity magnification level. List 1. Elikliv Microscope LCD Digital Coin Microscope 1000 times. Coin magnifier with 8 adjustable LED lights. The Elikliv LCD Digital Coin Microscope is a powerhouse for collectors who want to explore coin details with ultra-high definition. With a magnification range up to 1000 times, this microscope reveals minting errors, dates, and textures clearly on a 4.3-inch LCD screen. List number 2. Aeopic Coin Microscope 4.3 LCD Digital Microscope 1000x 1080p USB Coin Magnifier. Aeopic's digital coin microscope offers an ideal mix of functionality and affordability. With 1000x magnification and a 1080p resolution, this 4.3-inch LCD microscope displays tiny details like die cracks, doubling, or wear patterns. It includes 8 adjustable LED lights and connects easily to a computer via USB. List number 3. Vision Aid 30 times hands-free magnifier with ultra-bright 36 LED lights and case 40 times. For collectors who prefer an analog solution, the Vision Aid 30 times 40 times hands-free magnifier offers strong magnification and bright LED lighting without a screen. The 36 ultra-bright LED lights illuminate coins evenly, while the included storage case keeps everything protected. List number 4. YOCTOSUN Head Magnifier Glasses with 3 LED lights storage case. The YOCTOSUN Head Magnifier Glasses are a fantastic wearable option for hands-on collectors. With interchangeable lenses, users can swap magnification levels depending on the inspection task. The 3 built-in LED lights are adjustable and allow for clear visibility, even in low-light environments. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable for long inspection sessions, and the adjustable headband ensures a snug fit. List number 5. Digital Microscope 4.3-inch LCD USB Coin Microscope 1000x 1080p Error Coin Magnifier. This 4.3-inch USB coin microscope packs a punch with its 1000x zoom and 1080p video resolution, making it easy to spot even the most minor minting errors. It features a solid stand for stabilization, adjustable LED lights, and USB connectivity for PC use. The built-in screen means you don't need a second device to see magnified coins in real time.